Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix notification not working on Instagram in iPhone, iPad. Firstly, open Instagram app. Click on picture profile right bottom corner. Click on three lines top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on notifications. Toggle on push all. And again toggle on push all. Click on messages. Select all on here. Select all on here. Go back. Click on calls. Select from everyone here. Solution 1. Click on settings app. In setting page, scroll down, find Instagram and click on it. Click on notification. If already turn on, then turn off and turn on notifications. Click on show previews. Select always here. Click on notification grouping. Select automatic here. Solution 2. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on general. Click on iPhone storage. Click on Instagram. Offload Instagram app. Again click on offload in pop-up window. And reinstall your Instagram app. Solution 3. Open your settings app. In setting page, click on general. Click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again click on reset network setting to confirm this process. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.